In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Mailchimp branding from your email campaigns. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to enhance the professionalism of your emails, knowing how to declutter your messages from extra branding can really polish your image. So let's dive into the steps together. First, make sure you're on the Mailchimp homepage. This is where our journey begins. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand corner of your screen. You'll want to click on Campaigns. This is your hub for all email marketing activities within Mailchimp, and it's the place where you can manage all your outgoing messages effectively. Once you've clicked into Campaigns, find the specific campaign you want to edit and remove the branding from. You'll need to hover over it and click Edit. This action takes you deeper into the customization options for your email. Here, you have the opportunity to tailor your messages to align perfectly with your branding. Now, you'll see a variety of settings and design elements. To proceed, click on Design Email. This is your canvas where your creativity can really shine. From here, you're able to manipulate the structure and look of your email, ensuring it speaks directly to your audience's needs and your brand's voice. The next step involves selecting a template for your email. Click on Apply to choose the one that suits your needs best. Remember, selecting the right template can make a significant difference in how your audience perceives your message, so choose wisely. After picking your template, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You're almost there. You'll find the Mailchimp branding at the very bottom. This is usually set to display by default. Now, the key to removing this branding lies in your subscription plan with Mailchimp. The branding can be turned off, but only if you upgrade your plan to one of Mailchimp's premium tiers. This upgrade not only removes the default branding, but often unlocks a suite of additional tools and features that can greatly enhance your email marketing efforts. To recap, you've learned how to navigate through Mailchimp's interface from your homepage to the campaign editor, and you've explored the email designing and template application process. Although the branding removal requires an upgraded plan, it's a worthwhile investment for those looking to maintain a clean, professional digital presence. That wraps up our guide for today. I hope you find this process straightforward and helpful. With a little customization, you can ensure that your emails reflect the professionalism and uniqueness of your brand. Thank you for joining me, and happy emailing.